The 2018 Toyota Camry is all new, and it seems to mark an all-new direction for America's best-selling car. For years, there was a huge disconnect between how critics and car shoppers viewed the car. Buying a Camry was safe. The car was reliable, reasonably affordable and would have decent resale value. It was also a totally underwhelming vehicle to drive and live with. It was soft, full of cheap plastic and handled like a small boat in a storm. That's not the case with the new model. Toyota and Lexus both have been vocal about improving their images in the eyes of enthusiasts. The new Camry shows the car can possess all the traits Toyota owners expect while improving the overall product. It's no longer a distant runner behind the competition from Honda, Mazda, Ford and Hyundai.